Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you stopped by. Today's Tasty Tuesday recipe is microwave sugar snap peas. If you want to see how I do this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, what you need is a bag of sugar snap peas, something to puncture the bag with. I prefer snipping them with scissors, some butter, some salt and pepper to taste, and microwave set on high for 5 to 6 minutes. And all I do is turn it over to the back and snip the bag here and there. And this is mainly to let the steam out as it's cooking. Okay, I'm just going to put this whole bag in the microwave and set it up for the 5 to 6 minutes. And then after it's done cooking, it's going to sit for 1 minute. Okay, it's done, and I'm going to let that sit for about a minute before I take it out. When taking it out, it's very hot, so be careful. Okay, it's been resting for about a minute, maybe 2. And I'm just going to cut the top off. And there's a lot of steam in here, even though the bag was punctured. And you can see that little booger steaming like crazy. Okay, while that's steaming, I'm going to put a little butter in there, and this is roughly 2 tablespoons. This is not necessary, but I love butter. And I'm just going to cover over the butter until it melts, add a little salt and pepper, and by that time it should be cooled down enough for me to eat. This is a really easy, quick side dish for your meals. I mean, seriously, 6 minutes and almost no work. And they're so tasty. Low in calories. Really good for a diet. And you know me, I'm always on a diet. So we're going to let the butter melt, let this cool down a bit, and then we're going to eat some. Okay, I'm going to add a little of my pink Himalayan sea salt, which is my favorite. And I'm going easy on the pepper because pepper's not one of my favorites. Oh, this is so good. You don't really need to add anything to it. Super easy to make. Great side dish. And like I said, it's really good for diets. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.